Alright, so I'm over at the property over on Rutland, and I just used my tool to turn the water off at the main source. It's a lot of water coming out of there inside. So I'm gonna go inside now to see if the water shut off. Give me a second. Hold tight. It looks like the drain for the water heater in there bust off, or somebody took it off, or something. There's a lot going on in there. Furnace is on and all of that stuff, so we have to turn that furnace off because the actual furnace is on. Shit. And the heat is on and everything. Yeah, that done slowed the water down. Here's the thermostat. Turn the thermostat off. The fan is on. Hold tight, guys. Let me handle this part real quick. Alright, so I managed to turn this off. It's off now. And the water pressure went down. The furnace was actually on down here. And there's water everywhere. So, yeah, man, it's... Man. It's dark down here. I don't have no lights on my camera, but let me see what we got going on here. Okay. Yep, that's the culprit right there. Water is coming out of right here. I don't know if you can see that, man, but I don't have no... Anyhow, there's water coming right out of here. Nobody got to it. I don't know if this is a new one.